York Civil Liberties Union is pleased that Governor Paterson recognized the legal victory in the New York Civil Liberties Union case, Martinez against Monroe County, which established the right of New Yorkers who get married out of state to have their marriages recognized here in New York. He did so by issuing this executive order, which is a milestone for New York. It requires New York agencies to respect the rights of people who are married out of state. This case involved a lesbian couple who got married out of state and sought health insurance benefits as spouses, and Monroe County refused to accord them the insurance benefits that they were entitled to. The Third Department ruled that here in New York we respect marriages that are lawfully entered into out of state, even though the people couldn't have gotten married here. What the governor's memo means is that New Yorkers aren't going to have to go scurrying around and fighting with every state agency to get their rights. It sets a policy here in New York that New York respects lesbian and gay marriages that are lawfully entered into, and that New York agencies must accord couples who are married lawfully elsewhere all the rights and protections that they are entitled to expect as spouses for themselves and for their families. The New York Civil Liberties Union is hopeful that the governor's leadership on this issue by issuing this memo will set a new tone for New York, will set a tone where government employees understand and respect the rights of same-sex couples and their families, where all New Yorkers get to understand what it means for them, that according protections to families headed by lesbian and gay parents is not scary, that it's simply giving people the dignity and the security that every parent wants for his or her family, that every spouse wants for the spouse. So this is, it's a wonderful day for New York, but we're going to have a more wonderful one when New York ultimately recognizes people's right to get married regardless of the gender of their spouse. This memo is not going to resolve all the questions that people may have, and the New York Civil Liberties Union has posted on our website, NYCLU.org, a set of frequently asked questions. Those should be very helpful, and if there are additional questions, we have an attorney on our staff who can help answer those. His name is Matt Fiella, and his email is mfiella@nyclu.org, and our phone number is 212-607-3300. The New York Civil Liberties Union recognizes that this is far from the end of the line on this issue. We have not yet achieved marriage fairness and equality in New York. This is the beginning of a new day, and we're looking to make the day even better.